Alright, boys and girls, ZEV here again. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do some tinkering with our Glocks. We've got a ZEV Tech V4 Race connector we're going to put in. What I'm going to do is drop it into this Glock 19 Gen 3 that is essentially stock, except for a stainless recoil spring and a set of aftermarket sights. Other than that, this gun is, well, I take that back, it's got an oversized slide catch on it, but nothing that would enhance the trigger parts, that kind of thing. Mildly polished up and cleaned up, but anyway, what I'm going to do is hopefully in one take without too many problems, I'm going to test the trigger pull on this gun as it sits right now using my Lyman digital trigger scale here. We'll do 5 pull average beforehand with the essentially stock trigger, or what some people would call the 25-cent trigger job, I guess. And then we're going to do an install video for the specifically the V4 Race connector, but it would apply to all the connectors. And then we're going to test it with that and see what kind of difference we actually get. Now, if you watch my previous video, I was talking about this connector. I don't think I mentioned that their connector will work with all Glocks except for the 42 and the 43, which are the little baby Glocks. So anyway, with that all being said, whatever, this is going to be in another video, so we'll get to that later. But let's get to this. Alright, I'm going to clear it out. Ready, steady, go. Holy crap, that was a bad one there. I think we got a little bit of slide on the trigger. Let me see if I can pull this a little more steadily. Oh, it'd probably help if I reset it first, huh? Getting ahead of myself. Okay. Wow, okay. So that's 5 for an average of 5 pound, 15 ounces. So that's literally 1 ounce shy of a 6 pound trigger. That's pretty crazy. So anyway, we'll clear that out. Remember, that is just shy of 6 pounds. And I'm going to go ahead and start breaking this down. But yeah, here we go. Really didn't need to do all that, but whatever. Force of habit, I guess. Like I said, you can see inside I've polished up the internals a little bit. A little shinier than most. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come out of there, you. Again, this disconnector here, it's the factory standard connector, just polished. You'll see it's not the minus connector or anything. It is the standard Glock connector, just polished by me. And the ZEV unit is also polished, but I see their polishing work is not as good as mine. Here's a side-by-side comparison. You can see the difference. So anyway, I'm going to put this back in here. Our spring didn't come loose, so that's a plus. Twist that back around like so. Slide that down in there. Oh, come here, pin. Forgive all the birds in the background. It's a beautiful day here on the Gulf Coast. I don't know if that's picking up on the audio or not. Okay. Okay, that all appears to be functioning. Nothing's binding up. Drop my barrel back in. Stainless guide rod. Now, I didn't show this ahead of time, but I'll say this, that reset feels shorter. Safety's engaged, safety's disengaged, take up, stiff, snap. Reset definitely feels shorter with this bar, but let's see what it does now. Now, as you've all watched, we've done nothing other than swap out that connector. So clear it all out. Ready, steady, go. 4 pound, 2/10 an ounce. 4 pound, 13.5. 4 pound, 10. 4 pound, 12. 5 pound, 7. And this should be our 5th and final pull. 4 pound, 12 for an average of 4 pound, 12 ounces. So it literally took out 2 pound, 3 ounces. So it took a 2 1/4 pound drop in a trigger pull by simply installing the ZEV V4 Race connector. Not bad for a $15 part. And like I said, I didn't do any official testing or anything of that sort prior, but the reset definitely does feel a little shorter than before. So, anyway, I guess the moral of the story here, folks, is with this $15 ZEV V4 Race connector, you can expect about a 2 1/4 pound drop by simply dropping it in, and it only took, what, maybe 5 minutes there tops to do that, and that was even with me fumbling around there. So anyway, maybe I'll go in and polish it up, clean it up, maybe lose another 1/4 pound. Anyway, that there is what you can expect with the ZEV V4 Race drop-in connector. I think in another video I'm going to compare it to what I have in this pistol, which is another Gen 3 35, and it has the Glock factory minus connector in it, known as the 3 pound. So I'll do a test of what this is before and after putting the V4 Race in it and see what that yields. Maybe stay tuned for that. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Like and subscribe down below. Stay tuned for future videos. We appreciate your time, boys and girls. Again, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. God bless. Skippy02, and I'm out.